Trigo. It's all about exponential growth and decay.
Okay, let's try to solve this.
Really? Can you help me?
Yes, of course. First, identify if it's growth or decay. If the problem is growth, use this formula. Y is equals to A times 1 plus R raised to T. If the problem is decay, use this formula. Y is equals to A times 1 minus R raised to T.
What does A, R, and T mean?
A means initial amount. R means rate. And T means time.
Problem number 1. This problem is exponential growth because it was increased. The initial amount is 30,000. Rate is 5%. Before that, 5% divide 100 is equals to 0.05, and time is equals to 2011 and 1960. Before that, subtract 2011 minus 1960 is equals to 51. Now, let's try to solve it. This is the formula. Y is equals to A times 1 plus R raised to T. Substitute. Initial amount is 30,000 times 1 plus rate is 0.05, time is 51. Rewrite the initial amount 30,000. 1 plus 0.05 is equals to 1.05 raised to 51. Write again the initial amount 30,000. 1.05 raised to 51 is equals to 12.04. Initial amount times 12.04 is equals to 361,200. This is the final answer.
You and I in a little toy shop, buy a bag of balloons with the money we've got, set them free at the break of dawn. Till one by one they were gone. Back at base, box in the software, flash the message, something's out there, floating in the summer sky. 99 red balloons go by.
Problem number 2. This problem exponential decay because depreciate means decrease. Initial amount is 6,500. Rate is 14.3%. Before that, 14.3 divide 100 is equals to 0.14. Time is 3 years. Now, let's try to solve it. This is the formula. Y is equals to A times 1 minus R raised to T. Now, substitute. Y is equals to, initial amount is 6,500 times 1 minus rate is 0.14 raised to 3. Rewrite the initial amount, 6,500. 1 minus 0.14 is equals to 0.86 raised to 3. Rewrite again the initial amount, 6,500. 0.86 raised to 3 is equals to 0.64. Initial amount 6,500 times 0.64 is equals to 4,160. This is the final answer. Problem number 3. This problem exponential growth because it was increased. Initial amount is 1,573. Rate is 2%. Before that, 2% divide 100 is equals to 0.02. And time is equals to 10 years. Now, let's try to solve it. This is the formula. Y is equals to A times 1 plus R raised to T. Substitute the given. Initial amount is 1,573 times 1 plus rate is 0.02 raised to 10. Rewrite the initial amount. 1,573 1 plus 0.02 is equals to 1.02 raised to 10. Rewrite again the initial amount. 1,573 1.02 raised to 10 is equals to 1.22. Initial amount 1,573 times 1.22 is equals to 1,919. Always remember, if the problem have population, the answer is whole number. Now, this is the final answer.